Hello guys, this is Om from Civilraja and welcome to my channel. So guys, we are going to study a 30 feet by 50 feet plot today. So what are we going to study of this plot? So we are going to study the architectural plan, and the second one is we are also going to see the elevation of that same plan. But is it about just one plan? No, we are going to study three different plans. But before that, I would like to apologize you because there is a gap in the video. So meanwhile, I was working on my website as well as on my Google application. So if you want to just download the application, then you have to just go to the Play Store. If you are an Android user, then you can just download it. And in the Play Store, you can see what you have to do. You have to just look for Civil Raja and you will find a logo like this. So you can just install it on your device, and then you will find our complete recorded session on the AutoCAD. So we have uploaded that much only for now, but we are going to upload the interior designing class and also the how to do the building planning. Everything will be uploaded on the same app. And whenever I am going to update anything, I will simply inform you through our YouTube channel. So all you have to do is to subscribe this channel, and you can just also press the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we are coming up with any such thing. Now this is my whole channel over here, so you can see this is the website over here, and on the website you will find a lot of options. First is this job oriented training, which will also take you to our video courses. Okay, then we have the professional courses trainings for the placements, and if you want to prepare for the government exams, like suppose you are preparing for the SSC then you can simply just go over and look for the SSC junior engineer civil, and then you will see that a portal will open up where you can just go for the free test on the current affairs. Then you can also get the mock test of J over here in the Hindi and English, and then we also have the sectional test. Okay, so like this you can just go ahead and unlock all these things. If you want to just go for a mock test so that you can feel that how the tests are being taken, then you can also access a few free tests over here in each and every section over here. Then you can simply unlock the test and continue your preparation. If you want to learn how to work on the AutoCAD, then you can simply just install this Google application over here. And this is just for the Android users for now. For the Apple users, we will just launch it in coming weeks, okay, because it will take a little bit of the time. So you can just find the whole course over here. Now, the next thing that we have over here is the today's work. Okay, so meanwhile I was also working on some other projects. So right now what I'm going to show you is this AutoCAD. Okay, so in the AutoCAD we are going to discuss three different plans over here. Okay, so you can see we have three different plans and the elevations of the same. So all these plans and elevations will be discussed in today's session. So we will start with the first plan of the day. So this is a 30 feet by 50 feet plan. So 30 feet by 50 feet. And then this is a ground floor plan, which is north facing. And this is the direction of the north over here. So you can see on the left, we have a main gate. Okay. So this is the main entrance of the building. And you can see we have a porch area of 8 feet by 13 feet 10 inches, which is quite a spacious space for like parking of the vehicle. Then you can see we have this staircase which is outside the building, so you can also use this building, or you can say this particular position of the staircase denotes that the client wants to rent it out. Okay, otherwise he will just place the staircase inside the building. So normally those clients who want to rent out in particular floor, they put their staircase outside the building. If you are some like architectural planner, then you can just get this idea or make a point over here. So I'm not just going to study the plan that okay, this bedroom is over here, this toilet is over here, but I will also tell you what are the advantages and disadvantages of placing any particular space like this. Okay, so you can see we have this main entrance over here, and from here you can see a veranda is 5 feet 9 inches wide, and through this we will simply enter to our drawing room, or you can also call it a hall, which is quite spacious in our case because it is 11 feet by 15 feet over here. Then we also have a 7 feet 9 inches wide lawn over here, which is a kind of a good area for like sit out space and have some free time in the evening, okay, with the family members. Then you can also see that through this drawing hall, we are directly entering to the dining cum living area over here. Now we have another entrance to this building, which is just placed below the steps of this staircase. But this staircase, or you can say the steps of the staircase will not affect the height of the door over here, because this will be too high to affect it. Okay. Then we have a puja room over here, a dining area over here, dining cum living room, which is also taking, or you can say also providing you the access of the whole building. And then we have a toilet over here. Then we have open space or over here, which is also marked as the wash area, but you can also just mark it as OTS and not the like wash area. However, we have a wash basin over here. Wash area is normally denoted as the area where we are providing our, or we are putting our washing machine over here. Okay. So now we have a bedroom over here, which is 10 feet by 13 feet, and this bedroom is getting the ventilation through this. This toilet is getting the ventilation through this wash area, and then this living come dining room is getting the ventilation through this wash area. This puja room will get the ventilation through this area also, or you can say the space below the puja room, below the stairs, through there we will, it will get the ventilation. Then we have this kitchen area, which is quite spacious, and this kitchen is also acting as a passage to this open wash area, which is 21 feet by 5 feet wide, which is quite a large area for open space. Then this is also taking us to a master bedroom, which is 14 feet 6 inches by 11 feet, a spacious master bedroom. Okay. Then this wash area is also providing the ventilation to this toilet, which is 8 feet by 5 feet over here. Now let's talk about the ventilation of the room first, the whole building. Okay, so over here you can see the drawing hall can get the ventilation from the front if needed. Then it can also get the ventilation from the porch area. This bedroom is getting the ventilation from the front, and we cannot use any of the three sides because it is blocked from the three sides. It is just open from the front. So we are providing the ducts at every here and there. So we have provided one duct over here, or you can say one vacant space or open to sky space over here, which is providing the ventilation to this dining room and this toilet area. If you want, then you can also provide the ventilation out to this bedroom through this wash area. Then you can see we have a puja room, which can get the ventilation from this area. And then we have a kitchen, which is getting the ventilation from this open area. And then this toilet is also getting the ventilation from the same. And this is also ventilating the bedroom over here. Okay, so one thing that I am liking in this plan is the position of this door over here. So the architect has very wisely like placed the door in this direction and not in this direction. Usually what I have observed in the lot of plans that they are placing the washroom in front or in access to the like dining area, okay, or you can say the dining room. But that is not a very good idea if you are opening the door directly into the dining area. But this person has placed the door in this space. Okay, so this is quite a good arrangement. So from my side, +1 point to this particular plan. Okay, now we will have a look at the elevation of this. So you can see we have this beautiful elevation over here, and you can clearly see the design is quite simple but modern. We have a hollow space at this place. Okay, so we can plus either keep it hollow, or we can just place a glass over here. Then this arc is adding to the beauty of this building. Now not very much to discuss, and we will directly jump to the next plan of the day. So guys, one more thing, if you want me to make the plan for your building, then you can simply connect me on WhatsApp, or you can give me directly a call. My number is 8433248864. The number is also in the description, so you can simply just get it from there, or you can mail me at rajababudnr1@gmail.com. If you want me to help you out with making your building plans, or if you want me to design your interior, then you can simply connect me. I am all used to you. And if you want to go for the estimation or the structural designing services, then we also provide that. Okay, so anything related to the residential building can be arranged for in regard to the consultancy work, you can connect me. Okay, My number is always in the description, so you can get it from there. So guys, we have this next floor over here, that is a ground floor plan, and in this particular plan we also have the first floor over here, and you can see the walls are in the back are in a proper alignment. So you can see in the front we have left out this space. Now why that, we will also discuss about that. So first of all, let's discuss about this ground floor plan, and we will discuss each and every detail, so don't worry about that. So over here you can see here we have this gate, then this is opening to the porch area. Now we do not provide any kind of a staircase over here, we are just like keeping this space open to provide the ventilation. So we can also extend this thing, but then it would have restricted the ventilation for the bedroom. So just to provide the ventilation for this bedroom in this direction also, we are leaving a space of 4 feet. Okay, so I am not considering it as a very wise decision. We can go for a duct also. Okay, and duct like that would have sufficed the need over here. Now and that would have increased the space for this toilet. Okay, now we have this entrance room, or you can say the area for the entrance over here, which is again a quite wide area. Then we have this like 2 steps over here, which is taking us over here, and then we have this step which is taking us down to the drawing hall also. Okay, so this is not a very good arrangement, I would say, but okay, this is quite good if you are like living in some kind of area where there is not very much passage for the drainage, or you can say the drainage system is not very good. So over there you can just go for such kind of arrangement that you are like taking up like giving a few steps to the entrance area. Okay, so for such places you can go like that, otherwise it is not very much necessary. So every plan it has something unique in that. Okay, and I'm just here to discuss those uniqueness of the plans. Then it is also opening to this drawing room or the hall, and you can see that we have a window over here which is providing the ventilation over here. Then we have this cutout area. Okay, so you can place some kind of flower pots over here. Nothing else can be done in such a small space. Okay, if you want to just check out how much it is, so I guess let's see, draw jet. Let's take out the dimension from here to here. So it is 1 feet 4 inches. Okay, not a very good space. You can just provide the flower pots over here. Nothing much can be done for this arrangement, but yeah, this arrangement can help you out with the elevation design. Okay, so that can be like done over here. Then you can see we will just go to the another bedroom through this, and this bedroom is getting the ventilation through here, this open space, and you can also use this space as a lawn area. Okay, because this is quite enough over here, so you can just use it as a lawn area also. Then over here you can see we have this dining area at this place, and this is again a open space over here. Now this is the open village staircase, and it is taking us to the next floor. We will discuss about that also. Now over here we have another step over here, and through that we are getting to the junction, which is taking us to the bedroom on the left, kitchen on the right, and toilet on the center. So this is a common toilet over here. Now this bedroom is a master bedroom, so it is having a attached toilet over here. So this toilet will be used by the guests and this residents of this bedroom. Okay, then we have this kitchen area. Then we have a storeroom, which is entering directly from the kitchen, and all of these are getting the ventilation from this wash area, which is quite a spacious. 10 feet by 5 feet is a spacious wash area, good enough to provide any kind of ventilation. So yeah, this particular plan is well ventilated, and on the ground floor we have a 2 BHK arrangement. On the first floor, whenever we are studying the first floor, we have to start from the staircase and not from the entrance point. So talking about the entrance point, this building is having just a single entrance. Okay, like in the previous plot we have, or you can say in the previous plan we had a arrangement for 2 entrances. However, over here we have just a single entrance over here. Okay, and guys, one more thing, one special thing about this, we are locating one open space over here, which is the wash area over here. We can also notice a open space over here. So this open space is basically providing the ventilation to all these three rooms. One is this bedroom, one is this entrance room, and then we have this particular toilet. Okay, so this is getting the ventilation from here, so we cannot block this space. So we will have to provide this area as the open area. So that is the technicality that I was talking about. So every plan has something good in it, and this plan is like like taking out all the details out of it. So this is quite a good thing to show up. Then we have another bedroom over here and one over here. This bedroom is a master bedroom because it is having a 7 feet by 5 feet toilet over here, and this area is definitely the open area. Then we have another bedroom over here, which is quite spacious, and it is almost same as a hall, 14 feet 8 inches by 15 feet. Okay, so this is close to a square room. A square room is not very much preferable in our society, but okay, if you are having that space, then you can use that. And just we had to follow the wall alignment also. So this plan is actually following the wall alignments in this side. So this porch area is now the sit out area for the top floor, or you can say the first floor in our case. Then we have the dressing area and the toilet area, which is quite spacious to like complete the need, or you can say to fulfill the requirement. Okay, so guys, this is a wonderful plan. So I'm not getting a very good feeling through it, but yeah, everything seems good over here. So I'm not finding any fault over here, and the direction is not mentioned in this one. So okay, we cannot check the vastu over here. But overall, it can be a plan which is 7 on 10. Okay. Then we have this elevation. Now this elevation is quite simple, but yet it is looking like a modern plan over here. And the tile work is, yeah, this is in demand these days, but personally, I don't prefer it. I still prefer the elevations with the groovings and the claddings, and then some like cement work is also there. Okay, but for now, yeah, if the client is good with this, then we can also go with this. This is simple yet beautiful design for the elevation. Then guys, if you want us to make the elevation, see, whatever I am discussing over here is all of the students work, and not these are not my work. Okay, so I'm also working on a project right now, so I will discuss that plan in just either next video, or I guess after that next video, next to next video. Okay, but for now I'm analyzing the work of the other students. Okay, so now you can see the elevation is quite good, but if you want to go for a beautiful elevation, okay, much more beautiful than this one, then you can just connect me and I can help you out with the 3D elevation. So I can provide you services related to the building planning, then 3D elevation, interior of the house, structural design, and estimation. So in these five particular segments, I can help you out with your consultancy work. Okay, and definitely that will save a lot of your money. Okay, so if you are planning to build a house, then you can connect me. My number is in the description. Next, we have over here is a plan. Okay, so this is a ground floor plan, north facing, and this is the direction of the north. Okay, so we have a main gate over here. Then we have a 4 feet wide veranda, and this lawn is 5 feet 6 inches wide, and we can also use this space as a lawn. So this veranda is taking us to this drawing room or the hall, which is again a spacious one because 13 feet 2 inches by 11 feet 8 inches is a quite a good space for the drawing hall. Then this is also getting the ventilation from this side. That is also the porch area. The porch area is again like a big open porch area, which is 7 feet 6 inches by 15 feet 9 inches. However, if we would have made an arrangement for the 8 feet by something, then that would have been better. But okay, 7 feet 6 inches will do in our case. Okay, now you can see that this is also taking up to the staircase over here. So this staircase is again outside the building and not inside the building. So through this staircase, we will reach to the next floor, and we can see that we have another entrance point to the building over here, and you can go to the dining area either through this main entrance and then through this passage we can reach to the dining area, or you can go for the second entrance. So if you are the resident of the building, then you can simply just use this second entrance also. The guests can use this first entrance. Then we have this kitchen area, and kitchen is directly connected to the dining area, so that is quite a good arrangement. The storeroom is opening from the kitchen, so again this is a good one. Okay, so +1 to this one also. Then we have this washroom. This is opening in the front of the dining area. So yeah, actually we don't have always a provision to provide a room like this, but yeah, if you will make some changes in the plan, then this is the better arrangement than this one. Okay, but okay, the arrangement that this student has done, according to that, it is quite good. Again, this washroom is getting the ventilation from this dining area, which is not a like suggested way to do the planning. Okay, then we have this toilet in the middle, then a bedroom on the left, and another master bedroom on the right. And all these rooms and the toilets are getting the ventilation from this open area, which is 22 feet by 4 feet. It is quite a big area. Okay, so you can also use a few of this area for the gardening purpose, like you can have the flower pots, and from that you can simply use the gardening. You cannot leave it like bare soil over here, but yeah, the pots can be like synthesized over here. Okay, so we will go for the last segment of the day, that is the elevation. And this elevation is beautiful on the right side, like till this portion over here to here. I am liking it, but on the left, I'm not very much impressed with the design. However, it is creative, but I'm not very much impressed. This could have been better, but yeah, this portion is quite beautiful, and you can use this design for your building also. Okay, so guys, if you want to go for any building planning or building elevation, you can go for interior design. You want our help in structural design or the estimate, then you can simply connect me. My number is in the description. Also, if you want to take up course on any of these 5 topics, I am also training the civil engineers and the architects out there. So if you want to just take up course on that, then you can also connect me, and I will help you out with that. On the Android app of Civilraja that I have already shown you in this video, you will find the video course on the AutoCAD that is already complete. And if you want to go with the building planning course, then you can simply approach me for the live classes. For the interior designing classes, I am going to start the batch from today itself, that is on 22nd August 2022. Okay, so guys, if you I have just one thing to say in the last, like keep practicing, keep learning. And if you have any kind of doubt, you can simply leave that in the comment section. If you like this video, hit the like button and also share this with the people who need this video. Okay, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe it and press the bell icon. That will be very much helpful and motivating for me. Thank you guys.